Hi everyone, Dr. Arib here. The Realme N1 is a very good electric sonic toothbrush, so much so it has become my personal choice of toothbrush since the last 5 months. I have made a review on it and also compared it to other electric toothbrushes in the market in the same price range. You can click on the card here or you can go in the description below to check them out. The Realme N1 has been recommended to a lot of my patients and followers, but it has one major flaw, and that has been the lack of replacement brush heads in the market. Although Realme does get them in stock from time to time, it was never in stock all the time. But all that changed last week when Realme finally got them in stock on their website. I managed to grab few of them and hopefully they will last me another year. So in this video, we're gonna unbox the brush heads and see what comes inside them. So I ordered quite a few of Realme products. The number one is the Realme Type-C cable. I love the color combination of black and yellow. Then the next product is Realme N1 brush head, which will perfectly match with the white Realme N1 toothbrush. I've also ordered the Realme N1 in blue color. I don't know, I'm gonna try mixing and matching it with the brush. And just to be on the safe side, I've also ordered the Realme M1 brush heads too, in case they go out of stock. Let's open the box here. And as you can see, you get 3 brush heads. Something similar, but with the blue. So, if you can see the toothbrush, it's started showing its age. You can see the blue indicator here losing the blue color and it's becoming more of white, indicating that you need to change your brush head. This brush is already 5 months old, so it's already 1 month past its due date of changing the brush head. How to open the brush is you have to unlock it by twisting it and pulling it out. So we're gonna try one. That's it, that's how it looks. Also, if you want, we'll try the blue one too. So these are the blue brush heads. Let's open them up. It's got that plasticky, shiny finish. So if you see the body is matte, but the brush heads, they have this shiny finish, which gives it a good contrast, but I would have loved if it would have had the same matte finish as the body. So unlock it. We'll try the blue on the white. I mean, yeah, not really. I would have preferred the blue on the blue or the white on the white, but in case you're weird like me, you can opt for the blue on the white body, or on the blue body you can go for a white brush head. But yeah, it looks unique and I like it quite a lot. The Realme M1 review is coming next, so stay tuned for that, and till then, happy brushing.